The black boxes from the Air India Express plane that crash landed at the Karipur airport near Kozhikode on Friday evening, killing 19 people, has been recovered as a probe team landed in Kerala on Saturday. A DGCA official said that the digital flight data recorder has been recovered from the aircraft, while the cockpit voice recorder, that is CVR, was retrieved after the floorboard was cut off the plane that broke into two pieces after it skidded off a tabletop runway amid heavy rain. The recorders store crucial information about the plane's altitude, position, and speed, as well as records of all conversations between the pilots, and it will be critical to understanding what happened to flight IX 1344. Investigating officials from Directorate General of Civil Aviation, Aircraft Accident Investigation Bureau, top officials of Air India and Air India Express reached Kozhikode from New Delhi early on Saturday. The death toll from the crash of an Air India Express plane that overshot the runway in heavy rain near Kozhikode has risen to 19 on Friday morning. As many as 172 people have been hospitalized after the accident, with officials involved in the rescue operation saying that 16 of them are in very critical condition. Civil Aviation Minister Hardeep Singh Puri said that the accident appears to have been caused by a slippery runway as the pilot attempted to land on the tabletop runway amid heavy rains. A total of 149 people are being treated at various hospitals in Malappuram, Kozhikode districts. 22 passengers have returned home after first aid. According to sources, 2 passengers from those who were in the flight crash have tested positive for COVID-19. Thus, all of those on board the flight, survivors, and also the rescue teams have been asked to quarantine themselves. India recorded more than 60,000 coronavirus cases for the second straight day on Saturday, as 61,537 new infections were reported in the last 24 hours, taking the overall case count to 20.88 lakh according to the Health Ministry data. The death toll in the country increased to 42,518 as 933 deaths were reported in the last one day. In what can be seen as a further move towards unlocking, the Union Ministry of Home Affairs has allowed OCI card holders to enter India who belong to countries with which air bubble arrangements have been finalized by the Ministry of Civil Aviation. A group of UN experts, meanwhile, have called for a lifting of all unilateral sanctions amid the COVID-19 pandemic, so that people in countries under sanctions can protect themselves against the deadly virus. Sanctions should be lifted or at minimum eased so people can get basics like soap and disinfectants to stay healthy, and so that hospitals can get ventilators and other equipments to keep people alive. Actor Rhea Chakraborty, being investigated by the CBI on charges of abetting Sushant Singh Rajput's suicide, was questioned by the Enforcement Directorate for about 8 hours on Friday in connection with a related money laundering case. The 28-year-old arrived at the agency's Balad Estate office with her brother Shouvik Chakraborty shortly before afternoon and left around 8:30 p.m. Her father Indrajit Chakraborty, brother Shouvik Chakraborty, chartered accountant Ritesh Shah, and business manager Shruti Modi, who also worked for Sushant Singh Rajput, were also questioned by the ED. Rhea has been called again on August 10 for further investigation. Authorities in the Chinese region of Inner Mongolia have sealed off a village after a resident there died from bubonic plague, a centuries-old disease responsible for the most deadly pandemic in human history. The death was reported to health authorities in Baotao city on Sunday, and the victim was confirmed to be a bubonic plague patient on Thursday. The patient died of a circulatory system failure, according to the statement. It did not mention how the patient had caught the plague. To curb the spread of the disease, the authorities have now sealed off the village where the dead patient lived and ordered a daily disinfection of homes. All villagers have so far tested negative for the disease, the statement has said.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.